So good to see you after a very long time. How are you all doing? Aman, Varun, Sai, Teja.
Doing
Yeah,
well,
doing
ma'am.
fine.
How
Yeah,
are
doing
you?
You're doing good? Great. Some time back, I think a few months back, you were our trainees. So now I will have to rather call you our ex-trainees and very proudly a part of our alumni. So I think Aman is working with Cadence. We have Varun who started working in Samsung, and then of course Sai Teja with Qualcomm. So guys, let's all let's quickly start by you folks introducing yourself. We'll start with Aman.
Sure. So, hi, my name is Aman, and I graduated from Shri L. R. Tiwari College of Engineering in the departments of electronics engineering in 2019. And I started my training from Maven Silicon in September 2019. I finished my training, and now I'm placed in Cadence Design Systems, Bangalore, as a design verification engineer, intern, my bad, in May 2020.
Great. So moving to Varun. Varun.
I'm Varun. I'm from Chikmagalur, Karnataka. I have done my engineering from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore, in Electronics and Communication stream. I completed my course from Maven Silicon in VLSI RN, and I joined the course in September and have completed it now. Now, currently, I'm placed at Samsung as a design verification engineer.
Absolutely. So I think Varun, in your case, I think even before you could finish your training, you just got a placement before that only, right? That was the
Yes,
case.
yes, yes.
Hi all. I'm Saiteja Kongadi. I'm from Hyderabad. I did my BTech from Gurukul Kangra University in EC stream in 2016. So later I took a 1 year gap and then went to pursue my MTech in communication systems from IIT Kharagpur. That is last year, 2019. So I had a thought of taking training in Maven. So yeah.
So, how has this journey been with Maven Silicon? What is that one thing that you would like to tell me about Maven Silicon?
The one thing I like the most about Maven Silicon is the faculty, of course. That's the best feature. So apart like the technical faculty as well as you, the business communication, who is handling the business communication, you all have done a brilliant job in training us and molding up to as from where we are right now. So if it was not for you people, I don't know, it may have been a difficult journey to bag such a great job. So yeah, thanks to all the faculties of Maven Silicon.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, as I said, like I took the VLSI RN course from Maven Silicon and I completed it. I didn't complete it. I got placed before that only. And
Yes.
and then like when it comes to technical teaching, it was amazing, and they were always ready to clear the doubt. And when it comes to like business communication classes, where they taught how to do interviews or how to improve your business communication and everything. So that was also amazing. And the main feature which I want to talk is labs. Like every day we used to have like 3 to 4 hours of lab, theory class, and then 5 hours of lab. And in that lab we used to do theory concepts taught during that day. So we were
Right.
able to understand the concepts very, very well.
Talk to Sai now. So, Sai, how was your training experience?
Our lab infrastructure. So many, I mean, like one or two to three of my friends joined the other institute also. So yeah, I inquired with them also. They don't have that much lab infrastructure. So as Maven Silicon. So it was a great experience. Yeah, thanks.
It's so good to hear. I think it feels great for us also. How do you rate this whole online learning experience?
Maven has an e-learn portal, so where all the lectures, all the digital Verilog and verification concepts, all the lectures are there. Along with the lectures, there are also tons of interview questions. There, module tests are there, aptitude tests, and all the weekly tests of every single topic. So the interview questions that were posted on Maven's e-learn portal, that helped me a lot to prepare for the interviews. And even business communication sessions was also there, so where you explain us the importance of resumes and cover letters. So keeping a resume also, keeping a up to date and precise resume is also an important thing. And I'm also active on LinkedIn, especially after coming to Maven. I got to know about the importance of LinkedIn.
How do you rate the placement process, and what do you think are the additional things that the placement team has been doing in order to support all the VLSI aspirants?
When it comes to placements, as I said, I didn't complete the course and I was placed before I completed the course. So I remember attending 2 to 3 companies in a week. Just so I found it very supportive, and the opportunities provided were really amazing.
That's really great to hear. Aman, I would also like to understand from you about the placement process at Maven Silicon, and what would you like to talk about it?
You start preparing for placements as soon as you come to Maven. It's not like you are first accustomed to everything and then you start getting. We had many mock interviews. A technical presentation was there, and in which many topics were given to us, and we had to present any one of them. It was a kind of impromptu type. So, and that was judged by the faculty, Satish sir and Swati ma'am, of course. And also we had a project presentation where we had to create a presentation about a project. Yeah, I had been given many opportunities from Cadence. I had got an opportunity from Synopsys, from MediaTek as well, and these are big companies. So it feels great that I got a chance to apply for them. So even though you are not getting placed after 2 or 3 companies, they will still keep on providing you every opportunity that comes.
Varun, any message for all your trainers and everybody in Maven Silicon and all your peers in Maven Silicon who are still aiming to get a job?
Any engineer wants to get into VLSI field, that too in front end, then you have to get into Maven Silicon. And as now I'm placed, and there are many my classmates and everyone there are still there, and I wish them all the best. And they are getting many opportunities, so that is a good thing. And I wish everyone to work hard. And if you want to get into this field, then you have to be patient, and you have to wait for a few months and work hard during those time, and you are going to make it.
Thank you so much, Varun. Great, thank you very much, everyone, Varun, Aman, and Sai Teja.